Hello, this video is for online assignment 4. There are 3 parts to this assignment. Part 1, students are to read the activity A.4, what is technology section of the lesson. Part 2, read the what is technology PowerPoint and answer the questions. And part 3, read the A.5 engineering careers. Click on the 2 orange tabs to investigate the sites for the engineering careers. Click on the Google Doc, which will show you what you are going to need to do. All right, and it does say you will need the 2 orange tabs to gather the information needed to complete the next 2 assignments. So let's go over to our assignment A4. You guys are going to read that section right there for the introduction. You're going to read the what is technology PowerPoint. And then you will answer the 2 questions here, which are these 2 conclusion questions. The next activity is the engineering careers, which you're going to click on these 2 orange tabs to investigate a little. You click, it'll open it up, and it will give you different types of engineers. You click on the type of engineer, and it takes you and gives you some information for each of those. You do not have to do anything else with this A.5. That will be the end of this lesson. If you have any questions, please contact me, and I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you.